Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'm making a macrame in a jar, which is a really easy and quick DIY, but at the same time, this can enhance your decoration in a very cute way. So let's get started with the video. And before everything, make sure to click the subscribe button along with the bell icon. And also follow me on my social media. Take an empty jar and some piece of macrame thread. Take one piece and tie on top of the jar like this with two very simple knots. The thread should be little bit longer than the actual length of the jar. After that, attach the second thread. To attach them, fold it into half, slide the rounded end below the first thread and pass the other ends and tighten it. Let me show you the step once again. Pass it through the thread, pass the other ends. Attach lots of them like this one by one. You can add as many as thread you want across the jar. The more threads you add, the more it's gonna look pretty. Now take 4 strings at a time. Make a L-like structure with the leftmost string and put the right string below all of them and tighten it. For the next step, make a L shape with the right string and go on. I have also made a macrame plant hanger using the same pattern. I will link the video on my description. Do have a look for the better understanding. Go all around your jar doing the same step again and again. For the next round, make the pattern in between any two previous patterns. You can do it again and again as much as you want. When you think you had enough, start unbinding the thread with lots of patience. This will give your threads a little bit volume. Then trim the ends from the bottom. I have also made the same design with a little bit thicker thread, and it looks completely different with that. These are my two finished products, and the thread size had made a huge difference in both of them. Now, use them as a flower pot or a candle stand. Looks a lot better than an empty jar. This gives a great look beside your little sitting corners or maybe with your plants, spreading a boho vibe all around. So do let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.